We help small businesses to start well, survive and thrive. We are here to help small business. We have a team of people here that are passionate about helping small business. Please don't feel like you're out there on your own. The SBDC is there to help you. Please turn to us if you need any assistance.
I found out about the Small Business Development Corporation over a coffee, and initially I went, oh yeah, and then after a little bit more conversation I went, oh yeah, and made a phone call, and I've been ringing them ever since.
I didn't know where to start. I had this brilliant idea and I didn't really know even where to turn, and I've referred to the website for business planning, done online courses, in-person courses, and I've also called for advice, of which they can't give me. They've pointed me in the direction of the people that can.
To have the SBDC there to guide me and all of these things that I didn't know about small business has just been an absolute marvel.
I started the business as a freelancer about 5 years ago, but turned it into a company about 2 years ago under the direction of their SBDC. I might have understood how to do the technical work, the actual creating of the videos, but I didn't know how to run a business well. The three services that we've used at the SBDC are workshops, the fantastic finance and marketing templates that they have, as well as the one-to-one business advisor relationship.
So I've called up on multiple occasions in regards to the business advisory side of things. What do I do? How do I approach it? It's been really helpful to talk through some of our issues with the advisors and just get directions on how to approach.
So they helped me to do the 12-step business plan and also the marketing strategies as well. And if there is any challenging problems that I do face as I go along, I give them a call and they're really helpful.
We definitely went from 0 to 100, which is challenging. I think it's also rewarding though. Some of the, the moments where you look back and go, wow, I thought I would never get through that, and look, we did that months ago now and it's just working. We put this in place and it's just happening. But you basically have to figure it out yourself, because what works for your business sometimes isn't the same as everyone else's. Yeah.
I felt that I have the need to know more about how to start a business from scratch. I've sat down with my admin team and we've used the templates from that workshop and implemented in our business. It's a lot of workshops I attended online, so it's very, very helpful, and I also shared it to my friends who are also planning to set up a business.
I've used so many services. The ones that I've used the most are the commercial tenancy service, which has been sensational for me because over 30 years I've moved 5 times and I've run into trouble a little bit with the landlords, and they've helped me out superbly each time. They're my go-to people whenever I've run into trouble. I found the services incredibly useful in growing my business and staying in business, and I'm still here after all this time. It's been challenging, but with the SBDC's help, I'm still in business.
We're here to help you as a small business operator do well in your business. So please turn to us if you ever need any assistance in your business.